Hi, my name is Kelly, and I'm your upline business leader for Starpoint Sales, and I want to welcome you to Tupperware. Whether this is your first time or your fifth time joining us in Tupperware, we know that Tupperware is a great fit for you and your family. First of all, just 4 points that I want to share with you before your kit arrives. First of all, what to expect. You should receive your kit within 3 to 5 to 7 business days, and you'll be receiving a telephone call from myself or your upline to help welcome you to the business and answer any questions that you might have. You're also going to receive an invitation to our Facebook group. This is a great hub for you to ask questions, get some information, and of course, also some recognition too. If you're local in the Spokane vicinity, we have meetings that you can attend to twice a month, along with webinar training. Especially for those that are out of town, our webinar training is perfect for you to plug in, get trained, and get informed. The second thing that you're going to want to do is to set some goals. You have an opportunity that when you come into Tupperware, not only do you start with an amazing business kit, and you also have an opportunity to participate in what we call our Say Yes offer, which is generally a premier product that you can get at a big discount. When you sell $500 in the same month in which you get started, you're eligible to get an additional award called our activation gift. You'll definitely want to make sure that you set your sights to sell $500 in your first 2 to 3 weeks of business. The next goal you're going to want to set is your $1,000 in personal sales or 2 standard parties to have Tupperware pay off the balance of your kit. If you've already paid for 100% of your kit, then you're going to be able to get a credit back on your next order once you sell your $1,000. Your third goal you're going to want to set is to have $1,500 or 3 standard Tupperware parties so that you can earn what we call an exclusive host only offer. It generally retails for about $100 or more, and you get yours for free. Then, as you're clicking right along, your first 500, your second 500, your third 500, you're going to be well on your way to what we call our Confident Start. Our Confident Start is a way for you to earn premier products at a big discount. So, as you hold Tupperware parties over your next 13 weeks, you're going to be able to earn awards like the pressure cooker, the stack cooker, or even our 9-piece cookware set that we have featured in our catalog. Make sure you reach out to the person that brought you into the business to help plan some of those things that you want to have happen so that you can maximize your Confident Start award. The other thing that we have that is kind of unique to having a job someplace else is our amazing career advancement. If you're the kind of person that wants to work with people, help people, maybe drive around in a company car, maybe earn a trip to Hawaii, we have an amazing opportunity for you to elevate your station and become not only a consultant, but a Tupperware manager, an executive manager, all the way up to director and presidential director. If that's in your cards and you want more information, make sure you let me know that when I give you a holler. The third thing that I'm going to ask you to do is make a list of people that you want to share this wonderful Tupperware opportunity with. And what I mean is mother, sister, best friend, those that love you, maybe an aunt, cousins, maybe those that you love, maybe a neighbor or a friend or a BFF. Let them know that you've just opened your own Tupperware business and that you are now a small business owner and that you would love to have their support. Those that love new recipes, those that love to play with kitchen gadgets, give them a call and let them know that you're in your own home based business and that you're selling Tupperware now. The other thing I want you to look for people that you think could benefit from Tupperware, whether it be the product or whether it be the income or whether it be the career advancement or maybe just the friendships. Invite them to join you and have a first recruit in your first week of business. As you're calling some of these people, your mother, sister, best friend, those you love, those that love you, there's going to be a conversation that's going to lead into, hey, would you like to place an order? Or better yet, would you like to have a Tupperware party? I'm going to give you a challenge to collect 5 orders in 5 days. Not only will that give you some money in your pocket, but it'll get you well on your way to activating your account at $500 this month. The final thing that I want to share with you are some things that you could try. First of all, once you get your Tupperware business kit, I want to challenge you to take a picture of yourself, maybe a selfie, okay, of yourself along with your business kit and post it on Facebook or another type of social media that you're involved in. This gives your customers and friends awareness that, hey, you're serious and that you just got your starter kit. People are going to be wanting to see what's new in Tupperware, but only if they know that you're the one selling it. The other thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to practice a couple of the recipes. Once you get your starter kit, there's a box inside there, and inside that box is a getting started guide. That getting started guide highlights about 3 to 4 recipes that you can use and explore by using your new Tupperware products. So practice a recipe and start playing with the product. The next thing I'd like you to do is set up your own Tupperware website. You should receive a link after you get signed up in the system that takes you to a login page that you can go ahead and choose your Tupperware website. I'm going to suggest that you go with the Plus site. It's $9.95 a month. And what this does is it gives your customers, your friends, your hostesses an opportunity to shop using your website so that you get sales credit and you get profit and they get it delivered right to their house. Just for fun, I'd like you to pull out your Fridge Smart when you get it and go to the grocery store and buy some strawberries and do what we call the Fridge Smart Challenge. Take a picture of your strawberries before and keep them in your Fridge Smart, and then keep some of them in the container that they get sold in. Leave them in your refrigerator for about a week. Then make sure you take a picture of how the Fridge Smart containers have really preserved your fruits and vegetables. That's called our Fridge Smart Challenge. And I would love for you to post that on our Facebook group or even on your own Facebook page. So it kind of brings the awareness of what Tupperware can do for busy families and for those that are trying to save money on their grocery bill. Finally, with Tupperware, you really can have it all. You can have the fun, the flexibility, and the financial freedom that you're looking for. In Tupperware, we've called the company of friends, and I want to welcome you to our company and let you know that you also can shine bright.